Are you lying awake at night worried about retiring during a market downturn? Well, you're not alone. There's a lot of people out there who feel the same way as you do. Now, retiring during a market downturn can be daunting, but there are steps that you can take to make sure that you retire comfortably. I'm Marc Sabourin from Canada Wealth Management. Let's dig into it. So as mentioned, there's a lot of people out there concerned about retiring during a market downturn. I was recently chatting with a gentleman that we'll call Robert. He planned on retiring from his job last May so that he could spend the summer camping with his grandkids. However, he ended up putting off his retirement and is currently still working because he was worried about retiring during a down market. Robert explained that at one time his retirement portfolio was worth just over $1 million, but today it was worth significantly less and he couldn't bring himself to retire on less money. In his mind, less money meant that he could do less with his retirement. Robert didn't want to keep working, but felt that he had to until his portfolio recovered. So Robert is right. With every market downturn, there is an eventual market recovery. Things will get better even if everything on the news makes you feel like the world is about to end. Being in a stock market downturn, when can we expect it to recover? I don't have a crystal ball, but we can look back on history to get an idea of how long it's going to take to recover. A down market is considered a bear market when it falls off by 20% from its high. Since 1950, there have been 15 bear markets in the US. Now we're going to use the US just because they have better data. The average decline during a bear market has been 30.2%, and it has on average taken 338 days for the market to go from its peak to its bottom. Now once the market bottoms, it's taken an average of 1.7 years to recover. As we've seen in recent bear markets, the recovery can happen much quicker, but let's use 1.7 years as our average. As for this bear market, the US market bottomed out at negative 24% in October of 2022. Once again, I don't have a crystal ball and the market may go down further, creating a new market low, but let's proceed with the assumption that October 2022 was the market bottom. If that's the case, then based on the 1.7 year average recovery time, it's going to take until August 2024 for the market to recover. So let's go back to Robert. Did he want to wait until August 2024 to retire? He was adamant that he didn't want to continue working, as that meant 2 more summers that he wouldn't be able to spend with his grandkids camping. So how can Robert retire comfortably? Step 1, and this is the most challenging step to get through, is for Robert to simply forget how much his portfolio used to be worth. Ultimately, the past is the past and we can only look forward. Step 2 is to put together a retirement plan. We asked Robert what he wanted his retirement to look like and came up with the monthly cost for his lifestyle in retirement. We now had Robert's expense goal, and based on his financial picture, he was actually still on track to have the retirement that he always wanted, even though his portfolio was worth less money. Knowing this, Robert was now confident that he could retire comfortably and was excited because he'd be able to spend this summer with his grandkids. The final step was to put together a withdrawal strategy for Robert to efficiently draw down his assets in retirement. If you're interested in what a retirement strategy can look like, check out the link above. We've already done a video on this strategy. It's imperative to have a withdrawal strategy in place because if you think it's scary retiring into a down market, it's even scarier once you're already retired. In conclusion, retiring during a bear market can be daunting, but with the proper retirement plan, a properly diversified investment portfolio, and a withdrawal strategy, you can retire comfortably even in a down market. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit that subscribe button and we'll see you next time.